Myself, Dr. Sushma Jain, Associate Professor Chemistry, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. Today, I shall discuss about quantitative treatment of reactivity in the substrate. A convenient method for the quantitative expression of orientation and reactivity in aromatic substitution is given in terms of partial rate factor. Now, what is partial rate factor? The rate of substitution at a given position in substituted benzene relative to that of any one position in benzene. It is given by the formula F for para position equal to 6 into K C6H5Z upon K C6H6 into percentage of para isomer. Here F for para position is the partial rate factor for para position for mono substituted benzene. K C6H5Z is the rate constant for substituted benzene and K for C6H6 is the rate constant for benzene. Now by taking example, the nitration of toluene, in this case we can calculate the partial rate factor at para position, at meta position and at ortho position. On nitration of toluene, we get para nitrotoluene 40%, meta nitrotoluene 3.2% and ortho nitrotoluene is 57%. Here, before we calculating the partial rate factor for all these positions, we know how the relative reactivity of toluene to benzene is calculated. Here, the relative reactivity in case of toluene at ortho position is 42, meta position 2.5, para position 58, meta position 2.5 and ortho position 42. Therefore, taking into account to all relative reactivity, all these position, we get 147. In case of benzene, the relative reactivity is 1 at all the position because all the carbon atom are equal. Therefore, the relative reactivity of toluene to benzene is obtained by dividing 147 to 6 and we get 24.5. It is the relative reactivity of toluene to benzene. Now, how can we calculate the partial rate factor if we know the percentage of isomer? In the nitration of toluene, we get 40% para isomer. Therefore, by putting the data into the formula F for para position in case of toluene, 6 into 24.5, it is the relative reactivity of toluene to benzene, and 40, that is the percentage of isomer, 40 upon 100, and we get 59. In case of meta isomer, we get percentage 3.2. Therefore, the partial rate factor at meta position is 6 into 24.5 into 3.2 upon 100, that is 4.704 we obtained by calculation. Now, since there are two meta positions in case of toluene, therefore this data is divided by 2, the 4.704 divided by 2 and we obtain 2.352. The partial rate factor for ortho position is calculated by 6 into 24.5 into 57 upon 100. We obtain 83.75. Since there are also two ortho positions in case of toluene, therefore we divide 83.79 by 2 and we get 42. From these results, we draw conclusion that if the partial rate factor F is more than 1, then the particular position gets activated, and if the partial rate factor is less than 1, then the particular position gets deactivated. Once we know the partial rate factor, we can predict the proportion of isomer to be obtained from more than one groups are present in ring if we make assumption that the effect of substituent is additive. This can be explained by taking example of metaxylene. In case of metaxylene, we can calculate the theoretical F at each position. For calculating partial rate factor at each position in metaxylene, we take data for the acetylation of toluene. The partial rate factor for ortho position is 4.5. The partial rate factor for meta position is 4.8, and the partial rate factor for para position is 749. From these data, we can calculate the partial rate factor in metaxylene at position 2, at position 4, and at position 5. And here this is the ortho position of both these methyl group, and therefore 4 into 5 into 4.5 equal to 20. We get the partial rate factor at this position is 20, and at position 4 partial rate factor of ortho position is 4.5, and the para position is 749, because this position is the para position of this methyl group and the ortho position of this methyl group. Therefore, we take both into calculation. 4.5 into 749 equal to say 3370.5. And in case of position 5, this position is meta position to this methyl group and also to this methyl group. Therefore, 4.8 taking from here, and 4 into 4.8 we get 23.0. Thus, overall partial rate factor and the reactivity, the 337.70.5, 337.0.5, 23.0, 20.0, and we get 6.7 at 4.0. Since there are 6 positions in the benzene, therefore the relative rate of xylene to benzene is 113.6. Now from this data, we can calculate the percentage of isomer in metaxylene at position 2, at position 4, and at position 5. At position 2, we can calculate the percentage of isomer by this formula, 20/6 at 4 into 100 equal to 0.294, that is round figure in 0.30. It is the calculated value from the formula, and the observed value by the experiment is 0. Therefore, it is the near about. At position 4, 3370.5 into 2, since there are 2 positions of this type, and upon 6.7 at 4 into 100, and we get 99.36. This is the calculated value, and the observed value by experiment is the 97.5, and it is the near about of this value. And at position 5, 23/6.7 at 4 into 100 equal to 0.339, that is the in round figure 0.34, and the experimental value is 2.5. Here the experimental value is more than that of the calculated value due to some reasons. So, if we know the percentage of isomer, we can calculate the partial rate factor of particular position, and if we know the partial rate factor at particular position, we can calculate the percentage of the isomer. In many cases, agreement is fairly good, but many cases are known where the effect is not additive. This effect is thrown off by some factors, that is the steric effect, ipso-take, and the resonance interaction between group. Thank you.